Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan. If you didn't know, now you know. And today we have a product from MelodySusie. You guys know MelodySusie. So they sent this over to me to open and try out and show to you guys. This is a mini dust collector P-series, PProR dust collecting fan. This box is really nice, really quality. That speaks to the quality of the product if the packaging is even nice. Here's the information on the back. Let's open her up and have a look though. Ooh, so it's in this bag. How interesting. Oh, no, these are the filters. Okay. And there's like a little part where you can open it here to just like pull them out, or you can rip it across the top. That's pretty neat. Let's see. It does have warranty information. Very good. It does come with an instruction manual. I definitely recommend always reading your instructions when working with a new product so you know everything that you need to know. And here it is. Let's pull this out of here. You could definitely repurpose a cool box like this. Looks like it has this kind of charger. So let's get it out of this wrapping. All right, it's an interesting shape. There are 4 colors, and this is the color that I chose. This is heavy. You can tell that this is a quality construction just by the weight and the feel of this plastic. Let's see. So it appears that this part is magnetic. That's very cool. This part is blocked off. Like, it doesn't have a screen here, but this isn't an open hole either. So you'd be able to put your little filter here to keep your debris from going down in there. And then this would just hold it on. It does not have any screens of any kind. You would plug it in here. Let's see if it's rechargeable. I'm gonna try and turn it on. It is rechargeable. Okay. So that's if we push it one time. If we push it again, the speed goes up. And if we push it a third time, it goes up even higher. It's getting so loud. Can you still hear me? Wow, that suction. If we push it a 4th time, that powers it off. No, it doesn't. If we push it a 4th time, that lowers the power back down. How interesting. So it seems like it just cycles through the speeds. When you push it, you have to actually hold it down to turn it off. I'm gonna turn this on and we're gonna stick some stuff to it and see what it can hold. Hold it down to turn it on, and then very strong suction. Let's hold this book. These are usually very heavy, and it is. I wonder if it can hold a stamping plate. Nope, not quite. That's a little bit heavy. Let's see if it can hold some of these. It can. These are typically hard to hang on to because they're a little weird. I wonder if it can hold the box. Not quite. There's a lot of wind that comes out these vents on the side, so you will be mindful of what you have sitting around. If you've got paper or anything, it could blow away. But this is quite a powerful suction. I would be careful because there's not a screen here. Don't put your finger in there. Let's turn that off. It is yelling at us. Goodness, it's gotten all blurry on us. This is a super cute little dust collector. I love how compact it is. I love the color. It is adorable. I love the suction power. I'm very pleased with that. And I love that it's rechargeable so that you don't have to worry about having cords at your desk. I know how limited outlets are at a nail desk. I'm sure you do too. And if you like to travel and do nails, this would be so easy to put in your bag. I like it a lot. I am going to package this back up though, and I'm gonna sneak it in one of the giveaway packages. I don't know which one, but somebody at our live stream giveaway is going to win something extra special with their bundle. Oops, I get some water spots on here. I set this down on my makeup wipe. Sorry. But that's it for this one. Make sure that you do watch the intro video for the giveaway so you can enter for the bundles that you want to win, and make sure you mark your calendar for the giveaway live stream. You do have to be present to be able to claim your prizes if you are the winner. If you're not there, unfortunately, you cannot win. But thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.